Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a look for June from Avatar: The Last Airbender, best emo girl of the series. Sorry, May. First, we're going to start out with a normal base. Just put on your foundation, your concealer. We're not doing anything too fancy. Make sure to blend down the neck. For her, we're not doing any blush, so I really wanted to play the how much highlighter can I put on before I offend God, and oh boy, that was one highlighter, now two, now three. We're playing with fate right now, you guys. She is very gaunt, so we're putting a lot of contour right in the cheeks, and then we're making our nose as skinny as possible by drawing a line straight down the nose. And then we're actually, later you'll see, I'll put a little bit under the tip of my nose, the flat part near your nostrils, just to make it look even pointier than it is. Everything in this look I want to look very sharp, so that's why we did contour not only on the nose and the cheekbones, but also on the jawline. And there's that nose contour. Always make sure to re-highlight if your face gets a little too muddy. We are putting bronzer. She still has color. She doesn't have to be super pale. It's okay. God, I'm shiny. New mirror. For her brows, I don't have the exact shape brows that she does, so I'm taking the top arch of my brow and I'm bringing it pretty far up, like a full centimeter or two, to make the arch pointy and larger than usual. And I'm also taking the tail of the brow and bringing it out a couple centimeters. It helps to frame the face better, especially if you're doing a more glam look. It helps to frame the face, along with make it a little bit more intense. For the eyes, it's obviously a very goth black look, but no matter how goth you want your look to be, you always want to start off with a base neutral color like brown. And next, I feel like she does need a little bit more color in her life, so I'm adding some purple in there just to help blend from the brown of the skin tone into the deep black that we're about to pack onto the eye. Now, black eyeshadow is really hard to come by to be good quality, so I suggest taking a really firm brush or your finger and just patting it all over the lid and then slowly blending it out. That will make it more gray. But then you just take more pigment on your brush and just keep blending until you feel like it's as intense as you want it. Now for eyeliner, normal gigantic cat eye, I'm also putting a little point in the inner corner of the eye. It helps to elongate it, give it a little bit more of an intimidating look. You just draw a little triangle in your tear duct. Well, not in your tear duct, the skin around your tear duct. Please don't draw in your sclera, please. And yes, I'm making you sit through the entirety of this cat eye because it took me forever. Then you're gonna put black in the waterline. We're gonna completely close off the eye. And now we're doing the exact same thing we did on the top, brown, then purple, then black underneath the eye, and smoke it out, which means blend it a lot. We're adding a lot more black to the lid because while putting on the eyeliner, it can sometimes take off the pigment, so you want to add back into it. For the lips, they're very dramatic. If you were going out normally with this look, I'd suggest a nude lip, but we're going all out. I'm actually taking a black lip pencil, and we're outlining the outer edges in black and then a deep maroon for the center. So it goes dark to light, which can help give your lips a wonderful ombre effect. And yes, I am using my liquid eyeliner as a lip liner. There is no judgment here. A little bit of gloss, please. Now, her arm tattoo, I did last minute. If you want this to look really good, I'd really suggest someone else do it for you because the body contorting really doesn't suit it. I would also suggest maybe some black shading to it, but if you just have red body paint or red lipstick, just go ham. Make a little snake arm. Thank you guys so much for watching my June makeup tutorial. Thought her name was April for most of this video. Best girl that no one talks about. I hope you guys liked the emo scene. I actually never went through it as a kid, so I have to say I don't have the natural finesse of the eyeliner. If you guys enjoyed this, please leave a like. Snoopy and Egg would appreciate. Please leave a like for Egg, who's the most contradictory being to this look I've ever seen in my life. And I hope you guys really enjoyed. Goodbye.